Yesterday, while driving near Newark Liberty Airport, I had my dashcam running as usual, just taking in the flow of traffic. If you know this area, you already know. Planes are always overhead, but every now and then the timing just lines up perfectly. And on this drive, it did. Somewhere around the 1 minute mark, you'll see it. A FedEx cargo plane lifting off, heading into the sky right in front of me. So if you're watching this from the start, don't blink. The moment's coming up soon. Now, I'll admit, the camera didn't catch the FedEx logo clearly, but that size and lift? Definitely FedEx doing what they do best. Whether you see this kind of thing every day, or it's something rare for you, there's always something powerful about watching a plane take off so close. So stick with me. The takeoff moment is just ahead, and after that, I'll let the rest of the drive roll on. Another day, another road view, with a little sky action this time.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Dowd Avenue. At the light, turn left onto Dowd Avenue, then use the right lane to take the ramp to US 1 North. Use the right lane to take the ramp to US 1 North, then slide right onto the ramp to US 1 North.